Hello everyone, welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. Faraday Future stock fell 7.8% on Friday. After struggling for 2 trading days, the stock price returned to the 5-day moving average, but things seem a little bad. The stock retreated after hitting the $6.25 level last Thursday, and the same script was repeated on Friday. This does not seem to be the result of the failure of the bulls to fight back against the bears. It is more likely that capital is cashing out at a high level, because the current price is already below $5.38, and the price between this price and $6.25 is the relatively concentrated area of the stock's trading volume in the past 3 days. But the current price below this area means that capital has flowed out of the market again, and the stock price may have lost the momentum to continue to rise. In the past nearly 3 weeks, the capital that drove the stock price up seems to have completed the cashing out operation when the stock price was high, because the stock generated some trading volume at $10.90 and then generated some trading volume again between $8.34 and $6.25. After the sharp rebound last Wednesday, the stock price generated some volume again between $5.38 and $6.25, but the current price is already in an unfavorable position, and the situation may be worse. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock price continued to fall from August 27th to September 3rd, but on September 4th, the stock price took off again after squatting. But if the bulls continue to squeeze the bears, the stock price should not fall below the $5.38 level that day. However, what we see is that the stock not only retreated sharply after the high on September 3rd, but also performed the same way from September 5th to 6th. As mentioned earlier, this does not look like a short squeeze. Although the current price is still at a relatively high level in the past 3 trading days, it seems to have lost the momentum for continued growth. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the stock had a net capital outflow of $1.7 million on the trading day before the stock price surged on September 3rd. The trading volume on that day was significantly higher than the previous 3 trading days, but this data was not much higher than the data of the previous 3 trading days. This reflects the fact that when the stock price was low, there was not much capital flowing into the market, so the stock price surge may be part of the capital high-level cash-out plan, which has been fully reflected in the capital flow data of the next 3 days. We can see that the stock only had a net inflow of $1.7 million on September 4th, indicating that the capital exited the market on that day accounted for a large proportion. However, the stock had a cumulative net capital outflow of $17 million from September 5th to 6th, but the trading volume of these 2 trading days was significantly lower than that of September 4th, reflecting that the capital outflow accounted for a large proportion of these 2 trading days. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that the $10 level of the stock is far away from the current position. There are also a lot of positions distributed between $8.30 and $6.20, but the stock price retreated as soon as it touched this area and left a lot of positions again at the $5.30 level. As analyzed earlier, if the capital has completed the second wave of high-level cashing operations, then the stock price will not continue to rise, because the resistance above the current price is too large, so it is more reasonable for the stock price to continue to adjust downward. For the target price, I have not set it. The data gives the support position of the stock as $3.56, but I don't agree. I think the stock will most likely fall below the lowest position in August next. Okay, guys, this is my price forecast for Faraday Future Intelligent Electric stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price forecasts for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.